Hey, I've been calling you and your number has been switched off. I'm talking to you. Are you okay?
I guess she's fine. You know what? Just... you know she's been out the whole day. She's probably very, very tired. And she needs to rest. I would advise she go into her room and take some rest, okay? You run around, okay? So, yes. She needs to sleep. I mean, rest. Yes.
Mama, I was only saying you should have waited until tomorrow. It's late. Besides, I don't encourage traveling at night. It's quite risky, you know?
Late? You didn't tell him? Late? What about late when I used to climb 911? Jebuabo, Bochako. No, now. Don't worry about lateness. In fact, desperate times call for desperate measures. Yes. Yes.
Mama, what desperate time are you talking about?
Oh.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.